The following video features are actually performed by AI-generated software. Therefore, this video is for entertainment purposes only and should not be taken seriously. What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Dog here, man. Hey, man, we got another video today. I ain't gonna lie, I ain't gonna do too much talking. We'll get straight into the video. But before we get into the video, make sure y'all drop a like on this video, man. Make sure that, hey, tell them drop a like, AJ.
Let's get this to 300 likes, y'all. My boy about to drift every turn he take.
Y'all heard what he said, man. We drifted every turn in the 5.7 Chrysler 300. Got the hood pop for y'all so y'all can see this is a 5.7. I see people on Instagram keep thinking I got a 6.4 or something. I don't have no SCAT motor, no cat motor, bro. Strictly 5.7, 160 on the dash. Some slow shit. So we about to drift every turn, as y'all can see by the title, man. Got my boy AJ here with me. Should have brought the SRT 392. Ooh. But you keep breaking your shit. Stop breaking your shit. Take care of your cars, bro. Crazy work, man. But anyway, man, we're gonna get this thing started, man. Let me go ahead and drop the hood. And we about to drift every turn in the hood, man. Simple as that. Can you hold that traction button for me, brother?
Charlie Park.
Charlie Park?
Charlie Park.
Say less, brother. Come on, man. Make sure that traction is off. We finna slide every turn for y'all, man. Y'all see it's a sport. Now it's off, man. No kizzy. I ain't got the tune on right now either, because I don't need the feds on us. All that popping and banging.
I mean, the car's still loud, brother.
I mean, it's loud, but at least it ain't gunshots.
Whoa, calm down, Jamal.
Coming off the damn exhaust. Just nice hemming noise.
No supercharger. No. Oh, sorry.
Speaking of supercharger, make sure y'all subscribe as well, man. 15,000 subscribers. We building the hell, dog. I'm gonna say it every single video. Simple as that, man. But let's get into it, man. I just tried to shift them part. Oh, can you hold this for me, brother? I got you. Appreciate you, brother. Let's get this thing going, man. Seatbelts? You don't got your seatbelt on, gang. Like, come on, bro. That's step one, bro.
First off, if it ain't red seatbelts, I'm not putting it on.
Like, bro, you keep dissing the 300, gang. I ain't gonna do it right here, right?
No. Let's actually get into, like, you know.
Brother. I feel like my shit just double shift on some weird shit. You here, brother?
Okay, brother.
Yes, brother. Nice every turn, brother. We're drifting every turn today, brother. I mean, I don't like this one.
Oh! Good. I thought she was about to, yeah.
And a nice day in the neighborhood, man. I smell rubber. Oh no, that's fucking barbecue. Who barbecuing? Launch that bitch, brother. I'm gonna launch that bitch, brother. Hey. Oh, me. Oh, that bitch did not want to break out. That's a nice little cool POV, man. I ain't want to do nothing crazy today, man.
You got it in sport, brother.
Oh, I don't have drift mode. I don't have the drift mode.
Yeah.
Either. Tough. Damn, I didn't think of that.
Just gonna fly past the church like that, man. Okay. So disrespectful, brother.
Bad, broski. I'm just trying to praise the Lord on today's roads.
Okay,
you know
all right.
You know what I'm saying? Making the exhaust go loud for the Lord.
Hey, man.
Nothing crazy. Where do I go, brother?
Go to the suburbs.
What's up? Yeah. Oh. Okay.
Y'all get this to 1,000 likes.
Hey.
1,000 likes, we can go to the suburbs and do it, bro.
That'd be crazy. I'm not gonna lie. Anybody coming? Difference without the drift tune and with the drift tune. Wow, since I drove this motherfucker, man. Too much gas?
Yeah. You should be able to drift the turn, like actually drift it and hold it into the turn. All right. Oh.
Keep forgetting the shift. I keep forgetting the shift. I want to mind you this bitch.
That was a lot better.
I'm gonna use two hands too. I keep trying to do one hand.
Yeah, bro. You're not
like that yet, bro.
Yeah, bro.
You see how it's kind of...
Yeah, brother. It's not gonna.
You sure, brother?
You can't be coming down some of these streets, bro. These niggas will shoot you, cuz. Coming down here like that, bro. Come on, what's good, my boy? He will shoot you. We blew this house up when I was a kid.
For real?
Yeah. With a cherry bomb. He took the glasses off, bro. He's about to really do that to you. No, you need to keep straight, cuz I don't want to go down none of these streets. You want people blocks, cuz they'll do that to you over here, boy.
Beautiful day in the hood, man.
I can't believe you just came down them people block like that, bro.
My bad, bro. What you want me to do?
Oh, he just scared me, y'all. I thought all my life flashed before me, y'all. They ain't gonna say, what up, bro? Like he don't got switch on him.
I don't think old people got switches.
Old?
That nigga was definitely 40.
Yes, they got switch.
I think third and former switches is wood sticks, nigga. I don't think they got the fast bitches yet, bro.
Bro, I'm trying. Alright.
Bro, y'all need to fix y'all hood, bro.
Why would we fix the hood?
Oh my god, like, bro, why am I driving on gravel like this is the 1920s?
Why
bro?
would they fix it though, brother?
Like,
why would they want us? Why would they want us to be any better in life?
That's a good point.
You gotta have a hood so you can go to the suburbs. If everything was the suburbs, what would life be like?
Oh my god, spiritual AJ. Spiritual fucking AJ in the building. Golly. Alright, man, so we got a couple little practice runs. I'm about to drift literally every turn. No matter the fuck what.
Turn left up here.
No. It's literally the police right here. That is crazy.
A few moments later.
Alright, brother. Just gonna show you twice how to do it. That's like 6 in nigga terms. 6 turns, brother. And we got sliding every turn. Oh my god! What? Did you hit that house? Oh, did bro just hit a house?
In the rain too.
Oh.
This y'all man's.
Bruh, I'm just trying to show him the SRT. I'm just trying to show him the SRT. That's it, man. So y'all, man, we finna just watch AJ do a couple slide every turn, man. You know what I'm saying? Get a little extra time on the video. Make sure y'all like and subscribe. I miss when you used to slide, bro. Now you ain't shit. Now you're nobody.
I don't do nothing, bro. I'm not a YouTuber. I don't do anything, bro.
Crazy, bruh.
300 likes, I'll get back on YouTube.
Y'all heard that? Say on God, too.
On Jesus Christ, Jehovah Witness himself. Wait, is that wrong? Wait, I just mixed too many. Oh, on God.
Yeah, you doing too much, bro. Doing too much, bro. Don't crash, bro. I know you. It's been a while.
Why would you even say?
I mean, I gotta say it, man. I'm not wishing it. I'm just be safe, bro. Traction. Talk about blow an engine, brother. Slide every turn.
Oh God! Oh God! It locked up, brother.
Oh shit! Good SRT ski 392 ski. Oh, God.
I know my car with the tune, bro.
Oh, bro. Yeah, I don't like sliding without the tune, bro. My shit quiet.
I need to hear.
Oh my God, SRT. Oh, hey, man. Man, bro, that shit making my head hurt. Oh, you could tell the car wanted to just fa. But yeah. Good little POV action. What happened?
He said, "Come right here. I'm about to shoot
Good little runs with the SRT 392.
A few moments later.
Get it, brother. Nice.
That was actually nice, brother.
Sliding every corner, Kinky. Okay, we're gonna stop here, AJ. Is that, hold on. And then you gotta count. 1, 2,
Bro, I
3.
can't wait to. Oh!
I ain't gonna lie, I thought that was a shift, bro. What was that?
I'm done with the video, bro.
What was that?
Bro, gang, go pull over, bro.
What the fuck was it?
Oh my God, bro, here, bro, take your phone.
I ain't gonna lie, I felt it on the left. What the fuck, bro?